Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the DecAI app. But before we get into that, a lot of you has been asking me, how do I do this research so fast? And I get hundreds of requests to check out products, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So the link is in the description down below for you to check out. And with that out of the way, let's review the app. So as you can see, we have it here pulled up on Google Play. And as you can see, they're rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with 20k reviews. And as you can see, that is also misleading since the recent reviews are all 1 star. So as you can see, so frustrating. Ads between uploads. Terms and conditions describe this subscription, but also indicate you can pay extra for more avatars. I don't know what that means. This app provides unrealistic ideas. I purchased services in hopes I could add design elements to see what the exterior of my home would look like. Blah, blah, blah. So she didn't get what she asked for. Plays long ads about itself, turns doors into windows and removes the windows that are there. Not useful, and a lot more, and the list goes on actually. So as you can see also here on Apple Play, there are also multiple 1 star and 3 star, 2 star reviews. As you can see, limited AI, okay, but can be definitely be better. Disappointed, worst app ever, doesn't work at all, redesign, I want a refund. And I actually saw this post on Reddit wherein this person said, I tried DecAI and I don't like it at all. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.